reopened up the place back in April. Started on our Juke Joint Festival that we have here every year, and since then we've just been kind of growing. And this is our second time we've been here to the car show ourselves. And we did bacon fried street corn, and it went so good last year. We decided we were going to do it again this year. And same thing with the steak hoagies. I sliced up 22 pounds of steak last night myself, and just trying to do good things for the community, you know.